What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Windows Update replaced your AMD graphics driver error you are getting on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. To fix the Windows Update error, you will have to roll back your AMD driver using your device manager. Open up your Windows Device Manager. On this window, expand your display adapters. Right-click your AMD graphics card and select Properties. Here, in the Driver tab, select Rollback Driver. In my case, it's grayed out, but this option should be available when getting the AMD error. Follow the prompts on screen and the error will be fixed. The previous AMD graphics driver can be used without any issues, and you can also make use of the AMD Radeon software to roll back and update your graphics driver. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.